tired of home-cooked dishes and don't know what to cook every day? How could it be? Follow me and I'll show you how to cook. All are the most homely and simplest. I have tried countless recipes with zero failure. The best part is, they've all been delicious. Today's protagonist is chicken thighs. Let's deal with the 2 big chicken thighs first. Remove the bones from 2 large chicken thighs. Then cut them into 2 cm square pieces. Put them on a plate and marinate them. A spoonful of light soy sauce, a spoonful of cooking wine, add some sea salt and black pepper blend. Mix well in one direction until all the sauce is absorbed by the chicken, mixing in one direction to make the protein fibers stick together orderly, which is commonly known as getting the chicken meat tender. Add half a spoonful of starch and follow the same method. Mix in one direction fully to coat the chicken with a thin layer of starch. The role of starch is to let the chicken quickly form a shell on the surface of the chicken to reduce water loss. This is also the key to ensure the tenderness of chicken. Beat 2 eggs. I'm used to breaking them up with chopsticks, which is very fulfilling. I feel so proud of myself. Of course, using a whisk is more labor-saving. Cut half an onion. And shred for later use. Scallions. And cut into scallions. Put in a small dish for later use. Add some white sesame seeds for fragrance. A small half spoonful will do. Put it aside. Let's make a sauce. Two spoons of light soy sauce. A spoonful of dark soy sauce. A spoon of cooking wine. A spoonful of oyster sauce. Add some sugar to enhance the flavor. Add some sea salt and pepper. Add purified water. Stir well. All the ingredients: sesame seeds, onions, scallions, prepared sauce. Beaten eggs. Marinated chicken thighs. Add the chicken into the pan. Spread it evenly. Drizzle a little cooking oil. Cover the pan and turn on the heat. Fry over high heat until you hear a sizzling sound, then turn to medium heat and fry for another 2 minutes. Okay, turn the heat down. Open the lid and turn it over. The bottom is almost golden brown. Cover the lid. Then turn to medium heat and continue frying for 2 minutes. Okay, open the lid and collect the moisture. Continue to fry. Fry until all sides are golden. Remove and set aside. There's not much oil in the pan. Add a little more oil. Add in the shredded onions. Fry until fragrant. Then add chicken thighs. Spread them out. It already smells good. Pour in the sauce. Cover the pan about 3 minutes over medium heat. Okay, the sauce is a little thick. Pour in the beaten eggs. When the beaten eggs is slightly coagulated, sprinkle with sesame seeds. And some scallions. It smells so good. Okay, it's done. This is a dish that can definitely be added to your recipe. It's a great rice puller. Loving what you see. Smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and save this video to your favorites. We appreciate you. A good life starts with eating well. See you next time.